Children, in the last classes, we learnt that Bassanio reached Belmont and he had chosen the right casket, and Portia confirmed his love and gave him a ring and accepted him as her Lord. And she humbled herself to that level that she is unlessoned girl, unschooled, unpracticed, and she is ready to learn and announce that with a high esteemed words to Bassanio that you are my lord, governor, and king. Then she gave a ring and asked Bassanio not to part from that ring and not to lose the ring and not to give away the ring to anyone. So Bassanio accepted all her words and promised her that if you find my finger without this ring, then you can trust and you can boldly announce that Bassanio is no more, he is dead. He accepted her love by receiving the ring. There we are in Belmont, Portia's house, in the room where those caskets were kept. And now let's continue. Here, Nerissa, I hope you all know that who is Nerissa. Nerissa is housemaid of Portia and also close friend of her. So Nerissa speaks here, and what she says and why she says these words, let's see. I hope you have opened your book, Act 3, Scene 2, where Bassanio promised Portia and Nerissa speech over there. My lord and lady, it is now our time. See here how she has changed the words. My lord, as till now she was a servant and also a friend of Portia. She was her lady. Once Portia accepted Bassanio as her lord, the servant, she told Bassanio that till now I was the queen of this mansion and all the servants were mine. Now now onwards everything is yours. She announced before everyone and everyone accepted it, and here Nerissa is proving that, saying my lord and lady, so giving respect to Bassanio first. It is now our time. Our time. Here she is not saying it is now my time. She is saying our time. Who is that our? That means in a plural form someone is with her. That have stood by and seen our wishes prosper. This is our time. We have stood by and seen our wishes fulfilled. That have stood by, we were all standing here and we have stood by you and seen our wishes prosper. Our wishes. Again, she is saying our wishes. That means someone with her also wished something, and that wish is fulfilled. What is that wish? And what she wants to say to the Lord and the lady? To cry good joy. It is a good news. Good joy, my Lord, my lady. She is repeating. When you repeat the same word with joy, that means you are over excited. And she is not alone happy. She is saying that our wishes prosper, and this is our time to express our joy. And who is that person is with her. In the next speech, you can understand who is speaking there. Graciano. Immediately, when she stopped saying something, immediately Graciano followed her words. My Lord Bassanio and my gentle lady. He is using some more extra words to respect both of them. I wish you all the joy that you can wish. What he says, you people have got your wishes, and let that wishes be fulfilled, and let God grant you all your wishes, and your desires will be granted to you. I wish you all the joy that you can wish, for I am sure you can wish none from me. That means when you receive all your wishes, and let it be, he wished them, and he says that I hope, I wish, I trust that you will not keep anything or deprive of any of my wishes. That means you will also allow me to receive all the wishes. And when your honors mean to solemnize the bargain of your faith, I do beseech you, even at that time I may be married too. So what is his wish? What he wants both of them, Bassanio and Portia, to grant him? Only one thing he wants. What is that? I may be married too. I also wanted to be married. And he is begging before both of them, Bassanio and Portia. So from this, what you can understand? That means Nerissa and Graciano loved each other, and they wanted to get married when Portia and Bassanio get married there. So this is the wish of Graciano. And in this place, the readers also are brought to the knowledge that Nerissa and Graciano, I hope you know who is Graciano. He is a very talkative person. In the first act itself, he was introduced to us, and by the writer, dramatist Shakespeare, and he talks a lot. And here also we can see him what all he talks. And here the next, Bassanio. With all my heart, so thou canst get a wife. So Bassanio is ready because he is his friend. Most gladly, with all my heart, most gladly. And what he says? So thou canst get a wife. If you can get a wife, with all my heart, with gladly, it will happen. That means Bassanio with mocking, or because he never knew that this is happening with Graciano and Nerissa. So Graciano, when he says that, when he beg or plead the Lord, Bassanio and the gentle lady, that I do beseech you, even at that time I may be married too. So for these words, Bassanio says, sure, I'll be gladly accept it if you can get a wife. So here we stop, and we'll continue in the next class that what Graciano answer he gives to Bassanio.